In this next installment of our Gunmakers Hall unboxing videos, we're taking a look at a bag sent in by Jeff Luke of Po' Boy Gear. Jeff has done a whole lot to support the association, and this bag that he's donated is just another one of those great contributions that we can't thank him enough for. He's got it nicely packaged here. I mean, there's a ton of packing material to make sure this can't get squashed or run over in the postal service. You'll see there he's got a card. We'll have a link down to his information in the description below and on NMLRA.org. He's got the bag packaged up here in a Ziploc bag just in case it gets left out in the rain somewhere. You never know. Opening it up here, it's tightly wound, and I'm noticing that he's got some plastic bags over the buckles here to keep those forged buckles from wearing into the leather too much. That's a really nice touch. I talked to Jeff a little bit before his bag arrived in the mail, and just to get a little background on the piece before it came in. He wanted this piece to be similar to those that would have been found in the last quarter of the 18th century, just as we started to expand west. He wanted this to have just enough asymmetry and character to make it believable that it could have been made on the early frontier. The bag itself is constructed from 3-ounce veg tan cowhide, which Jeff dyed himself with a homemade walnut hull dye. Looking down in there, you can see the inner pocket that Jeff has worked in there, and it's also got 3 small flint pockets in there so you can carry some extra flints for your flintlock. Jeff can't take all the credit for this nice bag though. The adjustable cotton woven strap has been done by OfTeresa Rawle, and the forged buckles that we mentioned earlier and the forged ring that we're looking at now here under these plastic bags are done by John Rader. John, Teresa, and Jeff work together on a lot of fine bags and accoutrements. It's really neat to see some teamwork coming into these projects that are being shared. I mean, if you follow either John, Teresa, or Jeff online, you're going to see them working together a lot, making a lot of neat accoutrements. So be sure to check them out. If you'd like to know more about this bag or how you can have the opportunity to own this bag, be sure to check out the links in the description below. We'll have a full description of the bag from Jeff, the maker of the bag, as well as links to the Gunmakers Hall tickets that you can print off and send in to be included in the raffle for a chance to win this and a ton of other great items. For more information on Jeff, the National Muzzleloading Rifle Association, and its traditional craft area Gunmakers Hall, check out NMLRA.org.